Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this set of 2 velvet bar stools. These things feel so nice. They have this beautiful quilted pattern here, and then on the back, they have this button tufted area here. But this fabric is really nice and padded and soft. It's got these beautiful beads all the way around it. We're gonna go ahead and assemble these. They came packaged really well. The bottom pieces and everything are all wrapped in foam. This was all in plastic. We're gonna go ahead and take this apart. It did come with assembly instructions, so we will put it together and then we'll test them out. Okay, so we've got all of the foam off of these beautiful chrome pieces. These are really pretty, almost like a mirror finish on them. So to get started, it just says we take the inside pieces in here. They have all of the necessary hardware included in this little box, and it looks pretty simple to put this together. So we're going to take our base, and we stick this on here, and then we are going to put our next piece on. After you have this little part on, make sure you screw this little top cap off. After you get all this put together, take that cap off the top of this base, line it up at the bottom of your chair, and then it just slides on, and you are ready to use it. Sit down. This is your lever right over here that allows the chair to go up high or back down low. That was so easy of an assembly. I put together a lot of chairs. This was by far the easiest. So this chair can go up from 33 inches and then down to 25. So it's got this nice lift, so you can be up really high, or you can be down lower, just depending on how you want to be. I love how it has this nice little footrest in here. It goes right behind your back here and kind of cuddles in. This is a really nice, comfortable chair that you can put into any kitchen or any bar, really anywhere in your house. This beautiful tufted area on the back just adds that extra class when you do have it pushed up against the bar. These were very easy to assemble.